back to my channel. This is another Dyson series. So today, let's try 30mm na barrel. So ito siya. Yung mas maliit, so mas tighter daw yung curls. And gamitin natin tong freestyling dryer. So ito yung itsura niya. Then, Okay, that's 2 minutes of hair drying. Now let's try out yung barrel. So in this case, let's start from up pababa. Kasi usually yung mga tutorials from baba to up, pero may napanood ako isang tutorial na in-advise niya na from up down daw yung pag-section ng hair. So let's try to achieve that or do that. So first, let's put in Keratin Smooth na heat protect. Yung on a normal styler, yung high heat styler like this, I usually don't put heat protect na or yung mga setting spray. But since we're using Dyson and hindi siya masyadong mainit, feeling ko kailangan ko gumamit ng mga ganun para mas mag-hold yung curls. Kasi ngayon yung minamarket ng Dyson, wala dong extreme heat. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi extreme heat, ay hindi rin masyadong dudikit or mag-hold yung hair mo, diba? So, section natin. Okay, so tanggalin ko na itong nasa ibabaw. Okay, so now it's 5 minutes of talking and prep. So I'm not sure kung ilang minutes ko matatapos to. So let's try. Let's do this, okay? Oh no, first off, syempre palitan natin yung attachment with this. Dapat away from my left face. So tama ito. Yung tatry kong gawin is yung from here sa baba. Just like yung mga parlor. Okay yung pre-styler kasi ayun parang perfectly done yung hair ko. Konti lang muna. Since hindi kaya ni Dyson kapag makapal. So that hair, okay, naputol yung kamay ko. Now let's take it and then let's do this. Okay, kapag naramdaman ko na mainit na, full shot. And then closer sa scalp. And then turn it off. Let's see. Hindi ko makita. Pero ayan. Anyway, hindi ko makita. So, let's do the other side. And then, mainit na, full shot, and then closer sa scalp. And then, off. Okay, now, let's do yung section pang gilid. I changed my mind, baka hindi maganda yung section kapag ganun. See, kasi iba yung pag ganun dito, palabas doon. So, kailangan ko siyang i-section sa gitna. Okay. Like my normal hair would. So, like that. Okay na yan. Dahil nawala na yung dab, basain ko ulit. Kasi perfectly damp dapat. ayaw niyang gumana kapag dry yung hair. Oh, nice. Looking great, looking good. Okay. So, sana medyo makapal to. Sana kaya niya. And then, oh, see, makapal siya. Pag ganyan, pag sobrang kapal, sinusukan niya sis. So, dahil dry, wet ulit. As an honest review, medyo time consuming talaga to, yung Airwrap. Kasi nga, you have to wet or make your hair damp para mag-hold yung curls. But it's worth it because I love the effect. Personally, okay? Personally, worth it siya for me kasi ang healthy kasi nung kulot or nung waves compare sa mga high heat curls na medyo iba yung medyo dry sa pakiramdam. Ito parang wow, ang soft ng hair. Ganyan lang. Okay, it's so kulot, right? Now let's do the other side again. Remove this. And then, palitan natin nung isa facing so, ito yung sign na hindi talaga siya sobrang mainit kasi kaya ko siyang hawakan. Kapag regular, to pangkulot mo, hindi mo mahawakan to sis. So, good job Dyson for that. That's one of the pros. Now that we're done with our first section, first time ko itong gagawin so medyo nangangapa ako. Let's gently and hindi masyadong intense clip this here like that. Yun. Sana magstay siya. And then let's do the second section. Kung gusto nyo pati dito sa scalp, medyo may body or parang alam mo yun, pindutin mo na yung cool shot para hindi kayo mapasok or mainitan. Hindi naman siya nakakapaso like yung mga usual hairstyling gadgets, but you know, there's still this sensation ng init, and just to be comfortable, just do what I said. Yung technique din, no, parang as long as yung pinaka-baba o yung pinaka-base is dumikit na doon or ma-vacuum na nung wrap, okay ka na. Parang mas madali na lang i-maneuver. That's, okay, sobrang kapal niyan for the Dyson wrap, but try natin kung kaya niya. Kaya niya, in fairness. We're done with 2 sections. Char. Para yung mga Korean hair, traditional Korean. Oh my gosh. Nasasaktan ako. Ah! This is the last part. We're done. 38 minutes with all the chit chats. So, ibig sabihin less than. Kung wala akong usap-usap, baka kaya ko ito ng mga 30 minutes. So, as you can see, bongga, it's so kulot. And now, let's brush it down with our first finger. Ano muna tayo, test. So, ayan. It's still so bouncy. Nakakakulot naman pala ng maayos yung Dyson. Ba't sabi ng mga review, hindi daw siya nakakakulot ng maayos? It's a lie. Ayan o, bongga kaya ng kulot. Sobrang bongga ng kulot in fairness See? See? It's so bouncy. But of course, we don't want that. I personally don't like that kind of bounce. So let's brush it out. Brush it down using these. Ang kulit niya pa rin. So, I think that's it. Yun nga sa nagsabi na hindi nakakakulot yung Dyson, it's not true. Look at that! See? It's effective naman and it's really tight and curly. So, this may not be my taste, personal taste, because I love yung mga medyo super duper loose lang na parang almost straight na may konting wave, ganun yung gusto ko. But if you want yung mga ganitong curl, like mga bonggang curls like that, this is for you, and still it's worth it for me. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Dyson series. Bye!